Hi, boys and girls. The letter for this week is the letter C. So we're going to read the very hungry caterpillar. Caterpillar begins with the letter C. The story is written by Eric Carle. Let's sing our song. The author writes the book. The author writes the book. Hi-ho, librario. The author writes the book. The illustrator draws. The illustrator draws. Hi-ho, librario. The illustrator draws. All right. And this is the title of the book again. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 words in the title. In the light of the moon, a little tiny egg lay on a leaf. See the egg on the leaf right here? One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny, very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. I'm so hungry. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still very hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a tummy ache. The very hungry caterpillar then ate through 1 green leaf. He started to feel better. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a small hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and a beautiful butterfly. The end.